stands and the lighting will be ready in July. The basic ground will be ready by June, I think.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ke Sangma, ulalit Jurip yaka Jawa Halal Nehru Stadium, but yaka jong ke Shillong Sport Association First Ground Kabadon Polo. Hadirin ke jing Jurip habai keran sikilat patai kubor haka khat khandai tarik uya yong 8,000 arpulai. Menteri Rangba ule thu ba hakini ki Madan baki samla Kajala kinyo ban kilan med ban pentebet yala de haki babun jat ke jing lekai bar ula ongru ba yakini ki Madan lekai en pendam no shen khnang ban yo ban pen lekai habai de pat ki international, national but state level.
Now come to see the renovation work going on at the JN Stadium, and from the looks of it, the work is going on at very good speed, and as you can see, the football ground will now be a natural turf. All of the seeds have been sown, and we expect the field now to the football field to come up with a natural turf. At the same time, as you can see, we also have new stands that are coming up, which will then enhance the overall seating capacity of the stadium. So we expect maybe close to about 30,000 capacity to be there in this field. And the entire arrangements and the way the work is going on, we are going to meet the FIFA standards, and hence this particular stadium and field, the football field especially, will be at par to host any international games in the future. Apart from that, the stadium also will have full facilities for athletics, and hence we'll have the track and field, as well as long jump and high jump and other disciplines also, and hence even the quality that's being maintained here for the track and field also are top of the line. So we expect that this particular stadium should be completed within this calendar year. We're expecting that by November end, and the work that's going on in the Polo in the first ground. As you can see that we have put the AstroTurf already, and final laying of other materials will be done, the granules and other rubber pieces that are put in. We expect that this entire work should be completed by July. And you can see that there will be also a new stand at the back that will be coming up. So we will see the expansion of the stadium. So this is a upgradation that's taking place. As we know that football is one of the sports that our youth are very much connected with, and hence in the long term we will also see more stands coming up on the other side, on the river side also of this field. But apart from that, the government has also decided that we are going to now start looking at different locality fields, different fields in different places, in different towns, different cities, where our youth normally play football. And in collaboration with the community and the local leaders, we would want to upgrade these different facilities where our youth are playing. So we will see a large number. We are already serving in Shillong city itself. We have identified about close to 5 locations where we could potentially lay this kind of AstroTurf. So that process also will start very soon, and I expect that we should be having a large number of AstroTurf football grounds where our youth can then practice, can have matches, and that will be one of the steps towards ensuring that we are able to bring out the talent also and give the opportunity for them to play. So this is part of a larger plan. But this stadium is something that we expect, as I said, by the month of July to be 2023 to be completed, and we hope that we'll be able to start playing matches in the month of August, September.